climate change and extreme weather, the world looks to city planners to come up with plans not only for a more resilient communities, but for a development that improve the long-term social and ecological health of cities, towns, municipalities, and of course the province. Today we see the increasing social inequality, the destruction of ecosystems, the creation of urban heat islands contributing to climate change. There is a need to plan for sustainable cities that are compact, produces less pollution and waste, uses land efficiency, had lesser automobiles but better access, practices good housekeeping and living environment, has a sustainable economy with a